If you use PayPal to process customer payments or pay company expenses, you can download sales and expense transactions into QuickBooks with the PayPal Connector by QuickBooks app. We'll go over the steps to connect QuickBooks to PayPal and start syncing PayPal transactions with QuickBooks. In the search bar, type in Find Integrations. The next step is to look for the PayPal Connector by QuickBooks app. Select Get Integration Now. You'll see a list of steps on how to connect your PayPal account to QuickBooks. Select Continue. Enter your PayPal username and password, then log in. The next step is to confirm some settings. The PayPal balance account is what QuickBooks uses to track how much money you have in your PayPal account at any given time. The deposit account is the bank account you transfer money to after you've received payments through PayPal. When you connect PayPal to QuickBooks, you can receive historical transactions from PayPal. Choose how far back you want PayPal to go when it sends your historical transactions to QuickBooks. You can receive the last 6 months of transactions or enter a custom date. Word of caution: if you select the date for the transactions which are already added to your books, this may cause duplication. Then, finally, you can choose whether or not you want PayPal to record your transactions automatically. With this option turned on, you won't manually confirm the details of any transactions. QuickBooks will record everything automatically. With this option turned off, you'll have an opportunity to confirm transaction details before they're added to your books. Note you can change this option later. Select Save. Your connection is ready. Navigate to Integration Transactions to see the transactions PayPal processed and sent to QuickBooks. From here, you can review and confirm new transactions or match them with transactions you've already recorded. To learn the steps to use the app with QuickBooks, check out this video. Now you're ready to use the app with your QuickBooks company.